In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart with Smartdraw. If you're new to Smartdraw, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can effortlessly create professional quality flowcharts. First, let's get started by heading over to the Smartdraw homepage. Once you're on the site, log into your account or sign up if you haven't yet. You'll be greeted with the main dashboard of Smartdraw, which is both intuitive and straightforward. Here you'll find various options, but to create a flowchart, we're going to focus on the basics, starting by clicking on New Document. This is your gateway to a blank canvas, ready for all your creative and organizational ideas. Now that you're ready to create a new document, it's time to select a template. Templates are a fantastic way to kickstart your project because they not only save time but also ensure a professional look. To find a flowchart template, simply use the search bar and type in flowcharts. Smartdraw offers a variety of templates under this category, so scroll through the options until you find one that suits your project's needs. Once you've found the template that fits, click on Open Example to begin editing. This example will provide a foundational structure that you can modify. Editing the flowchart in Smartdraw is intuitive. You can click on any element within the template to customize it according to your needs. Maybe you need to change some text, adjust the shapes, or add additional steps to your flowchart. Feel free to explore and get creative with the options available. Next, let's talk about the tools and symbols that Smartdraw offers to enhance your flowchart. The toolbar provides a plethora of options for you to dive into. You can use tools for aligning, formatting, and styling your shapes and connectors, ensuring everything looks polished and professional. Additionally, Smartdraw provides a rich library of symbols, ideal for flowcharts, which you can add simply by dragging and dropping them onto your diagram. These symbols can represent different steps or aspects of your process, making your flowchart not only functional but visually appealing as well. Once you're satisfied with your flowchart's design and functionality, it's time to export your work. Exporting is a crucial step as it allows you to save and share your flowchart with others. Simply click on the Export button located in the menu, and you'll be presented with various file formats. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's for sharing digitally or printing a hard copy. And there you have it. You've learned how to create, customize, and export a flowchart using Smartdraw. With these skills, you're now ready to organize complex processes, present ideas, and improve team collaborations with clarity and style. Thanks for watching and happy flowcharting.